Do you think you know how to use the? You probably don't. Even advanced English learners make tons of mistakes with this tiny word. Today, I'll teach you 25 real, practical ways to use the exactly like a native. Let's fix this once and for all. Hey everyone, I'm Daily English Teacher, and welcome back. We're talking about one of the most common and most confusing words in English, the. Get ready to take notes, because we've got 25 categories with clear examples. One. Before oceans. We always use the before names of oceans. Example 1. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Example 2. Ships cross the Atlantic Ocean every day. Two. Before seas. Example 1. The Mediterranean Sea is stunning. Example 2. I swam in the Red Sea last summer. Three. Before rivers. Example 1. The Amazon River flows through Brazil. Example 2. The Thames River runs through London. Four. Before deserts. Example 1. The Sahara is the hottest desert on earth. Example 2. Camels live in the Gobi Desert. Five. Before mountain ranges. Example 1. The Alps are covered with snow. Example 2. The Himalayas are home to Mount Everest. Six. Before island groups. Example 1. The Philippines is a group of islands in Asia. Example 2. The Maldives are famous for luxury resorts. Are famous for luxury resorts. 7. Before countries with plural names. Example 1. The Netherlands is known for windmills. Example 2. The United States is a powerful country. Eight. Before unique things. Use the for one-of-a-kind things. Example 1. The sun is shining. Example 2. The earth orbits the sun. Nine. Before superlatives. Example 1. He's the best player in the team. Example 2. That's the most delicious cake I've ever had. Ten. Before ordinal numbers. Example 1. The first time I met her was unforgettable. Example 2. The second chapter is more interesting. Eleven. Before musical instruments. Example 1. She plays the piano beautifully. Example 2. He learned to play the guitar when he was 10. Before inventions. Example 1. The internet changed the world. Example 2. The telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. 13. Before public institutions. Example 1. My dad works for the government. Example 2. The police are investigating the case. 14. Before the names of families. Example 1. The Smiths are on vacation. Example 2. I had dinner with the Johnsons last night. (15) Before adjectives referring to groups. Example 1. The rich should help the poor. Example 2. The elderly need special care. (16) Before directions and geographical areas. Example 1. The north is colder than the south. Example 2. The west coast has beautiful beaches. (17) Before specific places in a city. Example 1. I'm going to the bank. Example 2. She's at the post office. (18) Before parts of the body when talking generally. Example 1. He was hit on the head. Example 2. She broke the leg while skiing. (19) Before names of decades or eras. Example 1. Music from the 90s is legendary. Example 2. The Renaissance changed everything. (20) Before things both speaker and listener know. Example 1. Pass me the salt. Example 2. I'll call the doctor. (21) Before hotels, theatres and museums. Example 1. We stayed at the Hilton. Example 2. I visited the Louvre last year. (22) Before newspapers. Example 1. I read it in the New York Times. Example 2. The Guardian reported the news. (23) Before unique systems or services. Example 1. The subway is fast. Example 2. The internet is down again. (24) Before the names of oceans, rivers, deserts combined. Quick review section. The Nile, the Sahara, the Pacific. They all need the. (25) When both people know what you're talking about. Example 1. The car won't start. You both know which car. Example 2. The kids are sleeping. You both know which kids. So, the. It's tiny but powerful. You've now mastered 25 ways to use it like a native speaker. Don't memorize. Notice how it's used when you read or listen to English. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'm Daily English Teacher, and I'll see you tomorrow with another English tip.